Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in OZK Business Banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in ozk.com/login. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of OZK Bank. You'll be able to find several accounts that you can log into. You'll be able to find the options like personal banking, business banking, credit cards, etc. If you want to log into your business banking account, simply click on this option, business banking. Now you'll be led to the login interface of online business banking. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password over here. If you haven't enrolled yet, you can also enroll by simply clicking on this option, enroll in online banking. If you have already enrolled, simply click on the field of user ID. Now enter the user ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forgot password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in OZK Business Online Banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.